To our channel. So guys, in today's video what we will see is, we will see how to fix error cannot insert the value null into column id table Hangfire.Job and column does not allow null. So guys, if you know that when you create and use Hangfire, then it creates the Hangfire tables by default. Now what happens is, sometimes if you are trying to generate script from the database and create the database at some other location, then you might take backup or something and then trying to move the DB to some other place, and in that scenario sometimes what happens is the keys and the identity column doesn't get copied there. So in that scenario, Hangfire can start giving this error that it cannot insert data into the Hangfire.Job. So now the simple solution that you can try is, you have to name all these Hangfire tables, and then you have to drop all the tables from the database where it is not working. Okay, so you can drop this and then you have to rerun the application. Now what that will do is, it will recreate the tables because it will not find the tables there. So the new tables will be as per the requirement of the Hangfire, and in that scenario it will not give the error which it was giving earlier. So now we have dropped all the tables, and now we will just try to rerun the application to see if we are still getting the error. So this was the method which was giving the error earlier, and now if I just uh, execute this, then you can see that it is not giving the error now. So job id is returning, that means the job is working. And so this is, you can see that Hangfire has worked this time, and we can also check the dashboard. So we have initialized the worker process here. Okay, so this is how you can fix the issue with the Hangfire.Job table. So thank you guys.